Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KISHU 2.0 token. Now obviously 2.0 tokens are all over the place, they're all the rage. You can find them listed all over CoinMarketCap in the news section, in the top gainer section. You can find them all over Pink Sale, all over Twitter, all over everywhere. 2.0 is trending right now, and now we have KISHU 2.0 that just finished a successful pre-sale on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on KISHU 2.0 and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. KISHU 2.0. Did you miss Pepe? Did you miss Pepe too? Then KISHU 2.0 is your wisest choice. Domestic and international marketing is spreading all over the world and starting at 1,000 times the expected amount. Congratulations on KISHU 2.0 on landing on the moon. So that's what it says on Pink Sale there. Now they do have a full audit that you can check out on Pink Sale. They were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that on pinksale.finance. They have a Telegram that you can check out at KISHU2 Community. They also have a Twitter at KISHU2.0 ERC20. And their official webpage, KISHU2ETH.com, because this is an Ethereum token. They had a pre-sale on Pink Sale, a public pre-sale, where they set their soft cap at just 1 Ethereum, and they ended up selling 14.2 Ethereum to almost 100 investors for a very successful pre-sale. There is 9 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. So if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, very soon this token will be going over to Uniswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the KISHU 2.0 token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, KISHU2ETH.com. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. And it says liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 180 days. According to their token metrics pie chart, we got 66.55% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 32.24% of the tokens going to liquidity, 1.19% of the tokens are unlocked. And besides that, if you go over to their official webpage, you can find a roadmap, you can find an info section, join the community section, tokenomics, and they have a button here that says Get KISHU. If you click on that, most likely very soon that will just take you right over to Uniswap. Now it says a little meme, big dream, 0% tax, and 0% team tokens. So 0% tax, so like I said, for slippage, you probably will not have to alter slippage too much at all if there is 0% tax. Now, it says here that KISHU 2.0 is a community-driven token focused on decentralization, a cryptocurrency with instant rewards thanks to its active users. Now, if you didn't understand what I said about Uniswap, there is a guide right on their webpage, KISHU2ETH.com. Goes over step by step, even how to create a decentralized wallet. So it'll go through step by step, like phase 1, create a MetaMask wallet, and then send Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Visit Uniswap, swap your Ethereum for KISHU 2.0. It goes through step by steps in more detail. So check that out. So this is where technology innovation meets blockchain. And it says, at the heart of KISHU 2.0 lies a powerful and resilient network, fueled by a robust consensus mechanism and fortified with state-of-the-art security protocols. With a focus on scalability, speed, and efficiency, KISHU 2.0 provides a seamless platform for developers, entrepreneurs, and enthusiasts to build decentralized applications that drive real-world impact. But KISHU 2.0 is more than just a technology. It's a thriving community of passionate individuals united by a shared vision of a decentralized future. Embracing inclusivity, collaboration, and transparency, KISHU 2.0 fosters an environment where ideas flourish, partnerships thrive, and possibilities abound. Now, their roadmap, starting with phase 1, that's going to be the launch phase, where they're looking to get 1,000 holders. Then the website launch, CoinGecko listing, 2,000 Telegram members, community-focused marketing fund, marketing campaign, and then a CoinMarketCap listing, 5,000 holders after that. Phase 2 is going to be the growth phase, 5,000 Telegram members, website redesign, 10,000 holders, 10,000 Telegram members, and then looking to get 20,000 holders. And last phase we have listed here, phase 3, expansion phase, initial central exchange listings, 15,000 Telegram members, and 30,000 holders. Now it says 0% tax, like I mentioned. They are partners with DEX tools, so pretty soon you'll most likely be able to view the chart on DEX tools. They'll probably have that on their webpage or socials. Partners with Uniswap and PinkSale, of course. It says, we continuously look for new partners to join us in offering new ways to acquire KISHU 2.0. And yeah, it says join us. Then they have their social links at the bottom of the page there. Now, they're doing pretty well on their socials. I'm going to put one of them up here so you guys can see. But yeah, their Telegram at KISHU2 community so far has 2,362 members with almost 400 of them online. So check out their socials. Check out their Twitter at KISHU2.0, ERC20. You can check out the PinkSale information. You can check out their full webpage at KISHU2ETH.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes, of course, down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.